Steve here from Advanced Global MSP Coaching. It's a well known fact that MSPs struggle to provide consistent client facing communication. And this inconsistent client facing communication is leading to a high level of churn. And there's lots of research showing that clients are leaving MSPs mostly due to a poor client experience, not due to your technical expertise. Now, I'll tell you, there are four main reasons for this problem and only one solution to resolve it. So, the four reasons that MSPs are providing inconsistent client facing communication, the number one reason is because expectations are stuck in the owner's head. I can't tell you how many times we've rolled out our tech ed program, which includes an engagement disengagement process conversation. And the owners come back to Advanced Global and say, Steve, that's what I've been trying to tell the techs for years. You nailed it. That's exactly what we need communicated to the techs. Go figure. So the second thing is because we're relying on each tech with a manual process. Well, wait a second. There's two big problems in there. First of all, we're relying with each tech to use their own. Sally communicates totally different than Bob, so we've already built in inconsistency into our client facing communication because no tech communicates the same way. And the second is it's a manual process. I can't tell you how many times I'm going through my procedure checklist, one right after the other. And you know what? I'm tired. It's late in the day. I want to get out of here. And, I don't even think they're going to notice the changes I'm putting in. So, yep, I'm just going to skip that step. The third reason is that there is no way to track your client facing communication in the way Autotask has delivered the software to you. By default, out of the box, there's no way to track client facing communication. So you need to build out something that will track your client facing communication. We'll come back to that thought in a moment. The fourth reason is because of the length of time and energy it takes to develop a world class client facing communication protocol. And I'll let you in on a little secret. The length of time that it takes is longer than Advanced Global's been in business. So we didn't even try and develop a great client facing communication protocol. We went out to HDI, they're at thinkhdi.com, and we begged, borrowed, plagiarized, I don't want to say stolen. I actually think we paid for it because it was part of our membership. We borrowed their advanced, well researched, well surveyed client facing communication protocol, and that's what we recommend. So, there are your four problems: that expectations are stuck in the owner's head, that each tech is using their own manual process. Number three, there's no way to audit. And number four, it's better to use a well researched, a well defined communication protocol than for you to try and develop it in house, including Advanced Global. So now let's get to the number one and only solution for resolving your inconsistent client facing communication. And as I kind of let the cat out of the bag a little bit, leveraging HDI's research and adapting their client facing communication protocol is the first component of the solution. The second solution is that you need automation. And Advanced Global has developed an automated client facing communication right inside the Autotask software. No AI, no bolting on, but we've developed a mechanism to provide consistent client facing communication. And then the third component of that one and only one solution is Advanced Global's Building a Better Client Experience program, where not only do we help you adapt HDI's client facing communication protocol, not only do we build out the automation for you, it is a done for you program. We also provide you time tested, tried and true client facing communication notifications, ones with very friendly language the clients will understand and will respond to you. So there you go. Those are the 4 reasons you have the problem. That's your one and only solution. If you're interested in talking more about a solution to your inconsistent client facing communication, just email us at info@agmspcoaching.com and they'll forward the email to me. I'll respond with my availability and we'll look for time for a free client facing communication strategy call. That's not a sales call, it's just strictly a free strategy call, no obligation. So, again, email us at info@agmspcoaching.com. And other than that, have an awesome day.